how to assemble circuit and how to fill water chamber on the Resmed Stellar 150 non-invasive ventilator. In this video, you will see a demonstration of how to assemble a Stellar circuit, including filling the water chamber to provide non-invasive ventilation with humidity. This is the Resmed Stellar 150 non-invasive ventilator. It is provided by the Ontario Ventilator Equipment Pool, or VEP. This is a branch of the Assistive Devices Program, or ADP. Here are the components we are going to be putting together: long tubing, mask and headgear, docking station, water chamber, and your Stellar 150 device. We are going to attach the heated humidifier first to the Resmed Stellar 150 flow generator. Ensure to align your flow generator with your device and push them together until they click into place. Connect the power cord to the socket on the rear of your flow generator. Plug the other end of the power cord into the power outlet. Please ensure placing the unit on a firm, level surface that is lower than your sleeping position. The surface is not to be sensitive to heat and/or moisture. Attach the long tubing to the air outlet. The other end of the long tubing is to be connected to the mask when you are ready to use it. This will demonstrate how to fill the water chamber. Lift the cover, remove the water chamber, pour distilled water into the chamber up to the maximum fill line. Return the water chamber back into the docking station. Ensure that no water is collected between the heater plate and the water chamber. Close the cover firmly until it clicks. Now we will check our circuit to ensure we have connected everything properly and to ensure the exhalation port is functioning. First, make sure the ventilator unit is plugged in. Also confirm that the internal battery is charging. In standby mode, check to make sure the ventilator settings and alarms are as per ordered. If you're not sure how to do this, please refer to the video on how to check the settings on a Resmed Stellar 150. Also, ensure the child is connected to their oximeter and that the humidifier is turned on at the appropriate setting.